Sure. So when I started at Park City High School, I was given the opportunity to work with our English language learners, and I remember being really surprised as I walked into the learning cottage, and this was going to be the classroom where I was going to teach. And I was particularly startled by the way the room was set up. I mean, there were like the ABCs, the alphabet was posted at the top of the room, and the room was a mess. It was dirty. There were posters that were indicative of like a much younger learner. And I just felt, that it wasn't respectful of the students' ages nor their abilities. And so the first thing I did was I took everything off the walls, and I created a space that was respectful of the students. I put some posters of Frida Kahlo up, and I put some really inspirational Spanish quotes up on the wall, and that was the first thing that really helped me to create relationships with my students, and I think that was hugely important. That first year, our graduation rates among our ELLs were abysmal. We were, lingering somewhere around 30%, and we weren't having kids have conversations about colleges. But I found that the higher I set the expectations, kids were absolutely willing to meet those expectations, and they wanted to be challenged, and they wanted more, and they wanted to be an inclusive part of the school community, which is something they hadn't been before because they were deemed as kind of like the deficit population, taking the remedial classes, not participating in school activities and things. And it really required a paradigm shift, which meant that, administration, counselors, teachers all had to get on board and recognize that our English language learners were an integral part of the school community and had a lot of capital that they could contribute to the school community, linguistic capital, cultural capital, social capital. And once we started really recognizing the skills, kids started shining. And consequently, we had more students participating in higher level classes, more students participating in extracurricular activities. And this was something that called for a school-wide culture to shift, because it was not like, oh, you're not going to be interested in that, but yeah, come be a part of this team. Come join this class. We have the means to support you. We want representation from you.